Hey, so on today's video, this is kind of a compilation recap video. We got a lot of stuff done, and so yeah, stay tuned for that. That's why it's so many cuts. All right. Tire shine. Don't use tire shine. I like to dress appropriately for working on cars with safety shoes and all my dark clothing. But I do wear safety glasses. Alrighty, so now we're underneath the car. And this is the catalytic converter. We are going to be replacing it with a test pipe. Oh god, it's so zoomed in. Yeah, so pretty straightforward. 3 bolts up top, 2 bolts right here, 1 bracket. Very easy. Let's get at it. It's off now. All bolts came out. Studs came out of the dump pipe. Not a big deal. We'll go back in. But yeah, hang on. If you're going to do this on your car, hang on to your catalytic converters. They are expensive. They're very hard to find. Don't throw them away, or don't let them get stolen like they're in America. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to be installing this one now. Go back on, should go pretty quick, because everything's already out. And we'll go from there.
はい。そして、見えるかな？フットペダル、アクセルペダルを取り付けていきたいと思います。これヤフオクで落としました。出てきます。
Hello, camera. This is terrifying. This is an awful angle. Oh my goodness. Hey, okay, so thanks for sticking around for all of our compilation stuff. We actually got a lot of work done the last couple of days. We got the new BLITZ Radiator installed. Plug and play, everything went together super smooth. I definitely recommend that. We got the test pipe installed. I don't want to jack up the car to show you, but it's down there, it's all done. We put Chika's wheels that she got on years ago. They are a perfect fit for the VEROSSA. We got absolutely no complaints about that. And if you look up here, I don't know if it's summer version or winter version, but it has the good gas pedal now. Originally they were bolted to the floor, and that's off now. But yeah, this is, I guess this series is kind of turning into what you can expect if you're getting that fresh off the boat JDM car, 100 Series Chaser, any of those kind of cars. If they've got low miles and they're untouched, this is kind of what you're gonna have to be going through, is all this maintenance and all this upkeep. But yeah, so stick around, stay tuned, and we'll get to more of it here pretty soon. Thanks.